Okay, so on a very, very hot day today, decided to do a little bit of work to the hood of the Impala. Got a dent pulling out there, got one I just finished pulling out there, got some really crinkly areas I'm filling right here. And there's a high spot, and then there's a low spot, and just working it, man. I think according to my cell phone, it's like 101 degrees outside right now, and it's pretty hot. Oh, I need to get me a new slide hammer, sell some filler spread. Had to wipe it in three different sections. So I did this one, and this one, because it's so hot right now. And the filler's kicking pretty quick. So got a little bit of 40 on the old Durablock here, and we're gonna block out some filler. Okay, so after about 40 minutes of just blocking this stuff, man, it sounds like concrete right now. Got everything kind of roughly feathered in, and like usual, there's a couple little whoop-de-doos with the U-pole filler when you use it in a large spread like this. Some pinholes. Put some probably some glaze in there, and then probably do another really thin wipe, hit it with 80, and then it'll be ready for a coat of epoxy sealer and then some poly for another blocking session. But this thing is now straighter than what it was out of the factory. And yeah, it does seem like a lot of filler, but metal, 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 starting to be metal. All the edges are metal, metal. But the trick is to keep it really, really thin and not have it fender in a can, you know. Do multiple thin coats of it and you should be okay. So there you go. There's a little update for you on the 62 Impala. It's going to be a slow process, but we're moving along. It'd be fun to start priming this thing and blocking it down and getting it prepped up for some paint. So anyways, guys, there you go. Quick update. If you wish to connect with me socially, you can find me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Google+, Tumblr, and Blogger, which all the respective links can be found down below. Do hit that thumbs up button, I'd really appreciate it. Also, subscribe to my channel for more automotive videos, and as always, guys, take care, stay safe. See y'all next time. Lots to clean up.